The Westland Pterodactyl 4 was an experimental British tailless aircraft developed by Geoffrey Terence Rowland Hill and his small design team under Air Ministry Specification 1629. Its origins lay in Hill's search for safer aircraft that could resist stalls and spins. Inspired by the earlier stable tailless aircraft of John William Dunn, Hill developed a series of unconventional designs during the 1920s. The Pterodactyl 4 was designed in late 1929 after experience with the earlier Pterodactyl 1. Unlike the MCOC 1, it used conventional elevons for pitch and roll control. The aircraft had a short fuselage, a fully enclosed cockpit for the pilot, and 2 passenger seats behind him. A 120-horsepower de Havilland Gipsy 3 engine was mounted in a pusher configuration at the rear. The aircraft was assigned serial number K1-47 and first flew in March 1931. Its most unusual feature was its variable sweep wing. A patented mechanical system allowed the pilot or passenger to change the wing sweep through approximately 4.75 degrees. A manually operated worm gear rotated a screw mechanism connected to the wing roots. The small change in sweep was enough to alter the center of pressure and compensate for changes in the aircraft's center of gravity when carrying 1, 2, or 3 occupants. Construction continued at Yeovil through 1930 and early 1931. After completion, K-1947 was transported to Royal Air Force Andover, reassembled, and painted silver with a broad green stripe. Louis Paget made the first flight. Later, Harold Penrose took over the flight test program. His first flight nearly ended in disaster when a bump during the takeoff run lifted the aircraft into the air at very low speed. The aircraft developed pronounced longitudinal oscillations combined with yaw and roll, but Penrose recovered control and landed safely. Further testing showed that the Pterodactyl 4 was sensitive in pitch, but heavy in roll. Later modifications included changes to its directional control surfaces. Royal Aircraft Establishment testing found generally acceptable stability and handling, good stall characteristics, and relatively rapid recovery from spins. Its maximum recorded speed was about 109 miles per hour, while its practical ceiling was approximately 15,000 feet. Engine overheating and an unsuitable propeller limited its performance. The aircraft appeared at Royal Air Force displays and continued flying as an experimental tailless research aircraft. Westland ultimately abandoned plans to develop it into a production civil aircraft because its performance was too modest. Yet the Pterodactyl 4 remained valuable as a flying laboratory, providing Hill and his team with practical aerodynamic data for later tailless aircraft research. The Pterodactyl 4 was never produced in quantity, but its legacy lies in the ideas it tested: tailless stability, elevon control, and variable wing sweep. These experiments made K-1947 an important step in Britain's long exploration of unconventional aircraft configurations.